Our talks about diabetes type 2 and Ayurveda, we will focus today on a very important organ that is the eyes.
Yeah.
The eyes
Yeah.
connect us with our
Yeah.
surroundings and makes us communicate with our environment, and disturbances with the vision is a very big, very much disabling people.
Yes. Yeah.
It's a pity, but diabetes often causes problem with the eyes if diabetes is not controlled for a long time.
Yeah.
Examples are that diabetic people, they get more glaucoma than normal people, which is often when they get older.
Yeah.
In glaucoma, the pressure in the eye is increased, and by that slowly damaging the vision. Another complication is diabetic retinopathy, which is caused by arteriosclerosis of the retinal arteries, by that causing bleedings and small infarcts, and also leading to impaired vision.
Yes.
And for people suffering from these problems, it is very much important how to overcome these problems. What can Ayurveda help with respect on the problems of the eyes in diabetes?
Yes, Dr. Garner, as I always said again and again, and as a doctor you will agree to this more, that it's fundamental to keep the blood sugar level under control all the time. So HbA1c particularly to be at least 7, so that it
maximum 7.
Maximum 7. So it doesn't damage any organs, including eyes. And especially eye has so many fine capillaries, and with the high blood sugar level, the plaque deposits, the fat deposits inside, and sometimes they become brittle and then they can get ruptured. So it is very important that and this should be kept under control through the diet, lifestyle, breathing exercises, and regularly doing detox programs once in a year or once in 2 years, so that you can maintain your metabolism and the whole sugar functioning properly in the body. I want to share here a very interesting and very striking experience of my own life. My father-in-law was 85 when he was operated for cataract, and he had also blood sugar, diabetes for 35 years before that. So he suffered for 35 years from diabetes, and we always controlled his blood sugar levels, doing regularly detox, giving Ayurvedic herbs and diet and everything, so it was under control. I was standing in that room where the surgery was happening, and doctor was showing me on the screen how he is doing everything with a pride, and suddenly the whole screen has blood.
Oh, complication.
Complication. Because as you know, cataract is always performed behind the eye, you know, in that, and the cavity was, there was a rupture in the blood, and the
blood vessel.
Blood vessel, blood vessel was ruptured, and the
bleeding.
left eye had complete bleeding. This was going on in left eye, and then he lost his vision on the left side completely after that. I gave him Netra Basti, this eye treatment with we make a dough wall around the eye, and we put inside milk with lot of herbs and treat it in a very particular manner for 20 minutes, and we do it every day. So I did this every day for 15 days continuously. I also gave him the herbs Arjun, Draksha, Rasna, Gugul, several herbs which really melts the blood clot. And since it was new, it was easy to melt it through the herbs. It was faster. So Suriday formula of Ayushakti, which is very popular for blood circulation improving, this I gave him double dose for 15 days. And I was surprised. After 15 days, he started reading the newspaper again from the left side. He closed the right and he said, I am able to read the newspaper now. And the eye doctor was surprised as well, in fact. So this is the possibility.
I can add another story.
Yeah.
It has not to do directly with diabetes, but one of our first patients we treated in cooperation with Ayushakti, with Panchakarma.
Right.
She complained also not being able to read. Since half a year she had macular degeneration.
Right.
Normally this is very, very difficult to treat. And this was a very intelligent lady. She was 83 years and she really suffered from this cut off. With this Netra Basti, after 2 weeks, she told me, "Doctor, over there is a church, isn't it? Because I can see the tower." I said, "Yes, you are right."
Wow.
And after
Fantastic.
4 weeks, she was reading again. And the nice thing is, now she is about 90. Last year, she came and she said, "Now it's again bad. I cannot anymore read." So for 7 years,
7 years she
we
could read.
could help her. And also the eye doctor, he was very much surprised.
Wow,
what
fantastic.
is
And how
happening
old
there.
this problem was?
Half a year she was not able to read, she
Okay.
told me.
But
at
this
that time, there was
started
83.
long back, I think.
It started maybe longer back.
Longer back, yeah. Wow.
But
Fantastic.
very remarkable.
Very remarkable. Yeah.
There are other
Also-
tips what you can have for eye treatment.
Yeah, one is this eye treatment regularly doing,
Netra
Diabetox
Basti.
to keep balance the blood sugar. Drushti Vardhak Formula of Ayushakti is very, very effective for any kind of eye problem. It improves the vision very much because it has licorice and triphala, and
This is a mixture
is
of
a mixture
certain
of
herbs.
certain herbs, which is more working as a nourishment to the eye tissues. So whenever retina or any tissues in the structure is damaged because of the blood rupture, the vessel rupture, this can slowly repair over a period of 6 months to 1 year. And besides that, I always tell people suffering from diabetics that because diabetes always impacts blood vessels very much in long term, 3 or 4 times a week they should at least take one of these 3 vegetables: broccoli, spinach and Brussels sprouts, because these 3 has ability to antioxidant substances and ability to clear all the clogged blood vessels continuously. So I recommend them to take this like a medicine every 3 times per week minimum.
But cooked as
Cooked.
food.
It should be always cooked. Always cooked. Or maybe made juice, because juices normally don't produce any gas. But if it is eaten raw, they can produce gas.
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah.